Yes, Israel is our most trusted friend, trusted nation, and 1.4 billion Indians, the people of Bharat. I also take immense pride that Paramahanadanya Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi ji is conferred with the Knesset Medal, Speaker of the Knesset Medal, which was conferred by the Israeli Parliament for his remarkable contribution to the relation between the great nations as well as to mankind. So, as a proud Indian, it's a matter of immense pride for each and everyone, me also.
सर असम में देखा गया है कि कांग्रेस में जो इलेक्शन आ रहा था तो जो मेजॉरिटी मुस्लिमों का सीट है उसमें तत्पर ज़्यादा दिखाई दे रहा है.
First of all, Bharatiya Janata Party, that is our BJP's motto is Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Prayas and Sabka Vishwas. We believe in Sarva Dharma Samabhav. We respect each and every citizen, their belief, their practices, their culture, heritage, irrespective of caste, creed and religion. But it is known to each and every citizen also that this Congress party, their main focus is to appease a certain section of people. So yes, like the other places also, especially in Assam, we have seen the Pradesh Congress is more focusing more on certain pockets of the people who are originally they were coming from the erstwhile East Pakistan, that is present Bangladesh. For the last 9-8 decades, they have been residing here in Assam, and many of them are illegal immigrants. So it is well known to each and everyone that we believing in the motto, the mantra of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sarva Dharma Samabhav. Bharatiya Janata Party and all the other NDA alliance partners are working for the overall development of each and every section, and we go to seek the support and cooperation from each and every section of the people. But the Congress, their main focus only on that particular seats, that particular areas where the concentration, the population is from. Basically, it's formed by the illegal immigrants and the people of erstwhile East Pakistan. So, people of Assam know it, and that is why in each and every election, the last decade, they have been rejected. And I am confident that this, in the forthcoming assembly election, we are going to get full support, mandate, and the support of people of Assam to form the state government for third consecutive term.